Hi, I'm Lexi. Are you turning 50? Then let's learn these 10 hilarious idioms. Number 1. Over the hill. It means past one's prime or peak. Example, at 50, you're not over the hill, you're just on the upgrade. Number 2. Not a spring chicken. It means no longer young or inexperienced. Example, she's not a spring chicken anymore, but she dances better than ever. Number 3. Long in the tooth. It means old or aging. Example, turning 55? You're a bit long in the tooth, but wisdom beats youth. Number 4. A senior moment. It means a humorous lapse in memory linked to older age. Example, forgot the birthday cake? Classic senior moment. Number 5. Past one's prime. It means no longer at peak condition or performance. Example, at 50, you're past your prime, but wiser and better looking. Number 6. 1 foot in the grave. It means very old or close to death. Example, turning 60, you've got 1 foot in the grave and both eyes on the cake. Number 7. Old enough to know better. It means experienced enough to avoid foolish actions. Example, you're old enough to know better, yet here you are partying like it's 1999. Number 8. Set in one's ways. It means resistant to change due to age and habit. Example, at 50, he's set in his ways, but still the life of the party. Number 9. Gathering dust. It means outdated or unused for a long time. Example, those dance moves are gathering dust since you hit 55. Number 10. Feeling one's age. It means becoming aware of physical signs of aging. Example, climbing stairs at 60? Now you're really feeling your age. Wow, friends! We've covered 10 real gems like past one's prime, set in one's ways, and gathering dust. You're old enough to know better than to miss these. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.